Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my hair from straight to curly. So I got my hair blown out for my birthday this year, and this is my routine showing you guys how I get my hair back curly with minimal to no heat damage and how I give myself a protein treatment. So I'm actually going to be showing y'all the Aphogee two-step protein treatment in this video and how I apply it as well. And that's how my hair looks once I was finished. So the first thing I'm going to do is just hop in the shower and saturate my hair with water. That automatically activates the curls, and I'm just rinsing out just all like the dirt and debris because I usually wear my hair straight for about 3 to 4 weeks at a time. And you just want to make sure you get your hair nice and wet. And today I'm using a new brush that my stylist used. It's the wet detangler brush, the paddle brush. And I have fell in love with this brush. It's actually really awesome. It detangles my hair super easily without snagging it. So that's basically what I'm doing. I already wet my hair and now I'm just detangling it with the wet detangler paddle brush. And I'm going to be using the Royal Oils Moisture Boost shampoo from Head and Shoulders because my scalp was a bit dry and I did have some dandruff. So I'm going to be using this to try to combat some of the dandruff that I had. And it just felt so good. So I'm just making sure to focus it on my scalp and get my scalp super clean. I'm also using the pads of my fingers. But I'm just giving myself a super good scalp massage. And then I'm just rinsing that shampoo out. And this is how my hair looks just after shampooing it, but I am going to go back and shampoo a second time because like I said, my hair was straight for a while and I just want to make sure I'm getting all the buildup and stuff off of my hair. This time I'm getting a nice good lather, nice suds, and that just makes me feel like my hair is clean. So I like to go back a second time and make sure I'm getting a nice lather and making sure that my scalp is super clean. And now I'm going to be using the Old Faithful, which is my Vanity Planet scalp massaging brush, just to make sure I'm giving myself a great massage. It stimulates hair growth. And it just feels really nice. And now I'm just rinsing all of that shampoo out of my hair again. And now I'm going to be doing the two-step protein treatment. So the first part is the protein treatment, and then the second part is the moisturizing treatment. So we're going to start with step 1. I'm doing is just pouring it all over my hair, mainly trying to focus it towards the ends of my hair. And then I'm just using a different detangling brush. This is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, just to distribute the protein treatment all over my hair. And I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm blow drying the treatment in my hair. And you have to blow dry it until it's all the way dry. And I believe you leave it on for 20 minutes, but you would have to check the instructions on the package and just follow those instructions. So I'm just blow drying my hair until it's all the way dry. And as you can see, my curls are intact. They look super juicy and healthy. And as you can see, I'm not manipulating my hair while I'm blow drying it. You do not want to touch it and mess with it. Also, just a heads up, the protein treatment is super sticky. So you will feel super sticky, but it's really good protein treatment. It's the only one that I really use. This is how my curls look once they're dry. I'm trying not to touch it too much, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked with the protein treatment in it. now I have let it sit in my hair, and now I'm rinsing it out. And as you can see, I'm being super, super gentle and careful with my hair to make sure I'm not pulling any of it out, because like I said, it leaves this super hard cast on your hair and you want to gently rinse it out. And then now, as you can see, my hair looks super, super strong and shiny and healthy. And then after this, we're going to do the moisturizing balance treatment, which is the part 2 of the Aphogee 2-step. And then here's another close-up of how the curls are looking. I was super hyped that my curls bounced back. So now we're going to do the balancing moisturizer treatment. And this is the second step. And you basically just apply this as if you would apply a deep conditioner. I'm just making sure I massage it really, really well into my hair. And I'm just brushing it through with the detangling brush just to make sure I'm distributing that moisturizing treatment to every strand of my hair. And I really, really love this treatment because it really makes my hair feel much stronger, more moisturized, less tangly. So I definitely recommend it if you feel like your hair feels brittle or it's like lacking strength. I would definitely recommend you do a protein treatment. Now I'm just rinsing my hair under the water while brushing it with my detangling brush. And as y'all can see, my hair looks super healthy. I just love how it turned out. Now I'm going to show y'all quickly how I style my hair. The first thing I usually do is just spray my hair with my DIY moisture mix, which has a combination of water, aloe vera juice, rose water, and some essential oils. And it literally is so good for my scalp. It just feels so good on my hair. Like I use it on my hair, my husband, my kids' hair. Also make it for my cousin sometimes, and she absolutely loves it. I'm actually thinking about selling it. So let me know in the comments if I started making it, would y'all buy it? But it is literally amazing. So the first thing I do, like I said, is spray my moisture mix on my hair. Then I usually just section my hair off into smaller sections. And can y'all see the amount of hair growth I've had since my last video? My routine has my hair flourishing. And now I'm just brushing my moisture mix throughout my hair. I'm going to be using Old Faithful, which is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. I literally love this product. It just agrees with my hair so well. And I'm just using my fingers to distribute the product throughout my hair, using my fingers to comb it. And I kind of try to clump my hair together a little bit just to encourage the curl. Now I'm taking my Denman brush. You don't have to do these steps. I just like to do it because I feel like it gives me a little bit more definition. And now I'm taking my Camille Rose Naturals Moisture Milk, the Curl Maker. And I'm distributing that gel throughout my hair as well. And just using my fingers to comb that through, and it just helps to encourage my natural curl pattern. Also guys, let me know if y'all would like a makeup routine video in the comments, because I feel like I have mastered my foundation routine and it just looks so nice. And this was after filming in the shower, so let me know if y'all want to see that. Once again, I'm just repeating the same steps. Sprayed my water, brushed it through, and then now I am applying the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to put the gel on top after I brush it with the Denman brush. And then now I'm adding some more of the Curl Maker gel to this section. just make sure you always get your roots as well so they don't frizz up on you. So I basically just repeat that process through my entire head. I only used 2 products this day, so super simple. Because my hair felt so nice and defined after the protein treatment, so I felt like I didn't need a lot of products on my hair this day. So we are getting to the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys how I diffuse my hair, like on what settings. Like I said, unfortunately, I did not get footage of how my hair looked afterwards, but you could already tell my curls are intact, and I just kind of wanted to show y'all quickly how I style my hair after going from straight to curly. And I do like to scrunch my hair as well because it encourages the curl, and that's the blow dryer that I'm using. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment down below, give this video a like, and I will see y'all in my next video, and I'll give y'all a more detailed wash and go video. So y'all have a great day.